Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 C300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with 248 horsepower and 254 pounds of torque. This one comes with the luxury line with a luxury exterior and interior Mercedes-Benz hood ornament on the hood. 17-inch split 5-spoke wheels. Almond beige MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we got a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats. Steering wheel controls, multimedia package with navigation,
find us on Instagram.
Rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, turn wheel for infotainment center. This C-Class has 97,212 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.